Hello guys and welcome to a new video here on my channel. Today I'm going to make a heat mantle attachment for a normal hot plate. Normal heat mantles aren't that cheap, so that is why I decided to do that. I already designed everything in my CAD program. Now it is time to get it into the real world. For this I used a very easy method everyone can do at home: black magic. When the ritual was done, I was left with some perfect plastic parts I can use to make the mold. For the mold I used normal oil sand. I then melted some aluminum and poured it into the mold. The part was given enough time to solidify and then got put out of the mold. I also did this for the other two.
That takes a lot of aluminum. Finally.
Um Gottes Willen!
Das ist mein Wille, nicht Gottes.
Satans Willen!
Besser. So.
Ich nehme an, dass er das mit dem Elektroofen schmelzt.
Ja.
Bitte sagt er, ist jetzt in dem Tiegel ist genug. Ja, alles gut.
Here are the finished parts. Up to this day I use them in a lot of distillations, and they have always proven themselves useful. I hope you liked my video. Bye.